Look at this water. Clear, calm, and alive. We trust this water. But what if something sinister was hiding in it? Something we take every day without a second thought. Cetirizine. The allergy medication millions rely on is quietly becoming an environmental threat, and that's why it's nominated as Molecular Villain of the Year. Cetirizine, also known as cetirizine hydrochloride, is a second-generation antihistamine. Its molecular formula and multi-ring structure make it relatively polar and stable in water. Sold as a racemic mixture, while its twin, levocetirizine, is the active enantiomer. Designed to block H1 receptors, cetirizine reduces allergy symptoms with fewer sedative effects than older drugs. For humans, cetirizine is a hero. It relieves hay fever, hives, and seasonal allergies. It's widely available over the counter, taken by millions worldwide, and considered safer and less sedating than first generation antihistamines like diphenhydramine. Its convenience and effectiveness make it one of the most commonly used allergy medications on the planet. But after we take it, most of the dose does not stay in our bodies. It's excreted unchanged or as metabolites and flushed into municipal wastewater. Wastewater treatment plants remove only part of it. The rest slips through the system and flows into rivers, lakes, and coastal waters, completely unnoticed. Once in the environment, cetirizine does not break down easily. It's resistant to biodegradation and stable in water, which means it persists in surface waters long after it leaves the treatment plant. Researchers are now studying advanced removal methods, photocatalysis, ultrasound, and persulfate-assisted oxidation, because conventional treatment simply is not enough. Even at low concentrations, pharmaceuticals can affect aquatic organisms. Antihistamines, like cetirizine, may interfere with signaling pathways in species that were never meant to encounter them. Chronic exposure raises concerns about subtle but long-term impacts on aquatic behavior, reproduction, and ecosystem balance. Removing cetirizine from water is not cheap. Advanced oxidation processes require energy, specialized materials, and new infrastructure. Society pays the environmental and economic cost of cleaning up a pollutant created by everyday drug use. Cetirizine seems harmless, a small pill that brings relief, but beneath the surface it becomes something else. It's invisible, persistent, and globally widespread. It shifts the burden of our comfort onto ecosystems that cannot adapt or consent. That's what makes it a molecular villain. We can do better. Smarter pharmaceutical design, improved wastewater treatment, and responsible drug disposal can reduce the impact of medications like cetirizine. Relief for us shouldn't mean a burden for them, and that's why cetirizine earns its nomination as Molecular Villain of the Year.